हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नीट बडी। आज से हम आप लोग के लिए यहाँ पर डेली बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू सीरीज स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। बेसिक एम इस सीरीज का ये है कि आप लोग के अंदर एक प्रैक्टिस करने की हैबिट आ सके, एक डिसिप्लिन आ सके। नीट का एग्जाम एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है और किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतनी आपकी स्पीड इंप्रूव होगी, और जितनी आपकी स्पीड इंप्रूव होगी उतनी आपकी रैंकिंग इंप्रूव होगी। सो हम लोग यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड फॉलो करने वाले हैं। हर दिन हम एक चैप्टर से आपके लिए एमसीक्यूज लेके आएंगे, और जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ये एमसीक्यू का नंबर एज वेल एज एमसीक्यू की डिफिकल्टी लेवल इंक्रीज होती रहेगी। मतलब ये कि आज हम पहली बार द लिविंग वर्ल्ड के एमसीक्यूज करेंगे तो ये रिलेटिवली इजी होंगे। जब हम सारे चैप्टर्स करके क्लास 11th और क्लास 12th एनसीईआरटी के वापस लिविंग वर्ल्ड में आएंगे तो इन क्वेश्चंस की डिफिकल्टी लेवल हम थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करेंगे। आई होप ये एमसीक्यू सीरीज, डेली बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू सीरीज आप लोग को हेल्पफुल लगे। एंड अगर आप लोग को ये हेल्पफुल लगे तो इन्हें अपने दोस्तों और बाकी नीट एस्पिरेंट्स के साथ भी जरूर शेयर करें। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द एमसीक्यूज फॉर टुडे। The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as: option A, identification; option B, nomenclature; option C, classification; or option D, taxonomy. The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as. The correct answer is option B, nomenclature. Question 2. Scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in option A, ICBN; option B, ICZN; option C, IPZN; or option D, IPBN. Scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in. The correct answer is option A, ICBN. Question 3. ICZN stands for option A, Indian Code of Zoological Nomenclature; option B, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature; option C, International Criteria for Zoological Nomenclature; or option D, International Code for Zoological Naming. ICZN stands for. The correct answer is option B, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Question 4. The process of providing scientific names with two components is known to a known organism is called. The process of providing scientific name with two components to any known organism is called. Option A, binomial nomenclature; option B, nomenclature; option C, trinomial nomenclature; or option D, tetranomial nomenclature. Process of providing scientific name with two components is. The correct answer is option A, binomial nomenclature. Over the nomenclature is the process of providing scientific name, and since we have two components in the name, binomial. Bi means two, nomial means names. So each name in a binomial nomenclature will have two components, the genus and the species, right? Question 5. The two components of name given in binomial nomenclature are option A, generic name, species specific epithet; option B, family name, generic name; option C, order name, family name; or option D, family name, species epithet. The two components of name given in binomial nomenclature are. The correct answer is option A, generic name and the specific epithet. Question 6. Systema Naturae is a book written by option A, Charles Darwin; option B, R.H. Whitaker; option C, Robert Hooke; or option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Systema Naturae is a book written by. The correct answer is option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus wrote this book, Systema Naturae. Question 7. Triticum aestivum is of order, option A, Poales, option B, Sapindales, option C, Diptera, or option D, Primata. Triticum aestivum is of order. The correct answer is option A, Poales. Question 8. Man belongs to family A, Muscidae, B, Anacardiae, C, Poaceae, or D, Hominida. Man belongs to family. The correct answer is option D, Hominida. Man belongs to family Hominida. Question 9. Which of the following serves as a quick referral in taxonomical studies? Option A, herbarium, option B, museum, option C, key, or option D, zoological park. Which of the following serves as a quick referral system in taxonomical aids? All the four given the options are taxonomical aids. Which of these taxonomical aids is served for the function of quick referral system? The correct answer is option A, herbarium. Herbarium is a taxonomical aid which serves the function of quick referral system in various taxonomical studies. Question 10. Which of the following details is given in a herbarium? There are four details given in the options. Which of these details is present in a herbarium sheet? Option 1, botanical name. Option B, collector's name. Option C, date and place of collection. And option D, all of the above. Which of the following details is given in a herbarium? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. So those were the 10 MCQs for today. We'll see you again tomorrow at this very place, this very time. And the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you think and if you find these MCQ series helpful. And if you're new to our channel, then do go and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.